Hi guys, today I'm going to show you in a real quick video how to winterize geraniums. We've got this big huge pot, tons of geraniums in it, and different types of geraniums. So we're going to dig them all out. We're going to get most of the soil off of the root balls, and then we're going to store them in a brown paper bag. And then we'll just put it down in the basement. I could store it in my garage, but I'm afraid they'll just freeze and get too cold in the garage. So we're going to try it out and do it in the basement this time. Just pick off any buds, any dead stuff, any flowers that might be on them still. And then we'll just stick them in the bag. And I'll go ahead and dig up all the rest of my geraniums. Just put them all in here. So I've collected all of my geraniums. I've got quite a few here, as you can see. I'm just going to get a paper bag just like this, slide it over the top, and I'm going to store it in the basement for winter. We don't want any light getting to these. We don't want to promote any kind of growth. We just want them to go dormant for the winter. So I'll pull them out when spring comes around and we'll get them planted, and we're going to have a really big, beautiful plants. So I just pulled my geraniums out and stored them in this paper bag and put them in my cold storage. We're just going to open this up and see how they're looking. Hopefully they're not too dried out, and we're going to put their roots in this bowl of water for a couple hours, and then I'm going to decide which ones are garbage and which ones are worth saving. Sorry, buddy. That's green. That's green. And this is squishy, so, and with their green being green up here, I think we're good. So I'm just gonna trim off all of the dead leaves. And if there's any dead branches that need to be cut off, we'll do that. And then we'll just stick this root ball in the water. And these are pretty squishy too. This one is. They look dead, but since we've seen that green on the other one, I think we might be able to save these. We'll just see what happens. That one seems pretty dead. I'm just cutting right above nodes. Cool. think these are done. Yeah, I'm not gonna save these. So I just filled up my buckets with some potting soil. I'm gonna go ahead and plant these and give them a little bit of water. And then I'll just keep them moist every day. I'll give them a little bit of water and put them in the sun.